afraid just to say a hello, hey, or to pick up the phone just to say what is up.
Today is August 10th. Today is actually my cousin Del Marie's birthday. I'm having Fruit Loops for breakfast, and I want to know, leave a comment down below letting me know if you put cereal first and then milk, or milk first and then cereal. Personally, if I had a jug of milk, I would put the cereal and then the milk. You know, I put cereal first. That's what I would normally do. But since I don't have a jug of milk and I had to make the milk, what I had to do was use the condensed milk and some bottled water and then make my milk and then put the cereal in. But anyways, leave a comment letting me know. I also have some yogurt, some probiotic yogurt. I look a mess, don't judge me. And then what I was also doing is watching, because I've been obsessed, I've been watching some home DIY decor, like cost-effective DIY stuff. Anyways, let's try to get this video to 500 likes. I think that's very doable for us. I think we can definitely do that. And let's try to get over 100 comments today, guys. I have a lot of things to do today, some of which I won't be able to take you guys along with me for, but I'll do my best to show you all the day and how it goes. All right, see you guys in a while, but I am here. I'm just sweating a lot right now. I've been meaning, I need to go to Active and look at their furniture. So I feel like when I'm coming back I can do that. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go get the car serviced, the taxi service. I'm gonna bring you guys along. It is sorry, I'm not stop. It is on the owner, which is my mother. It's my mother's taxis. I want to invest in my own, but whatever belongs to my mother belongs to me. And my mom has said that it's not me being it's not me being no selfish child, or money hungry grabbing child. I will always be here to help my mother. It's on the owners of the vehicle, the taxis, to service the taxi. So I'm on my way to Berts right now to get those parts that the vehicle needs in order to be serviced. Yeah, so, and I know some of you guys were saying, oh, Bicana, your window down and your bag on the seat. It was really that only time I really try to keep my eyes open. Okay, what's going on here? I really try to keep my eyes it's really hell in here. I gotta turn the AC on. I'm so sorry, it's so hot. But anyways, I'm rambling. But what I'm trying to say is I'm on my way to go service the vehicles with the taxi man them. I will bring you along so you can see some of the process. I'm on my way to Berts to buy the parts for the vehicle, and then from there on I'll show you guys what's going on. So I'll talk to you all later. Remember to please, let's get this video to 500 likes, and let's get this video to over 100 comments. We can definitely do this. Let's get to 20k by the end of summer. I really feel like we can do it. It would be amazing. You keep growing the YouTube family. And I'm also thinking of doing another giveaway, because I did a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers, and look at us now, guys. We are, should I pass this vehicle? We're almost at 14,000. So I think I'm gonna do another giveaway, because 20,000 to me is a big number, 14 to me is a big number, and when I got to 1,000 it was a huge number for me. So we can keep growing, we can do this. We are a family. Insert Dream Girls. We are a family like a giant tree. All right, it's time for me to go.
We are a family.
Guys, there's a line for Berts that goes all the way so we'll see how that goes.
Got the phone just to say what is up. It's been a long time and I've been thinking. Give you a
Alright guys, so I went to the salesperson, went to the cashier, and now I'm at the pickup section. So this is where I'll be going. So I'm gonna go up to the front so I don't miss them calling my number, and then I'll see you guys when I'm on my way to the mechanic. Guys, so I'm at another Berts on Hagley Park Road, and I'm here to get a AC filter. Yeah, look how terrible this looks. So yeah, they need a new AC filter, which I didn't get the first time around. So here I am. The line is long. I'm gonna get this done and then go back. The driver already started putting in the engine oil, so if I get back there to catch him, put on the other ones for the other vehicle, then I'll show you guys that. But if not, then I'll show you it another time. Okay, I actually wanted to show you all, you know, the car being worked on, but by the time I got back, they were basically done. The only thing they had to put in was the new thing that I got, which, you know, but yeah, so like I said, you know, just servicing the vehicle, making sure that it's running at its top performance, so I don't hear no complaint about, oh, this, that, and that, you know, or, you know, yeah. So guys, I think I'm gonna start going back and looking at places like looking at apartments in the Gleaner by myself, and, you know, recording them and showing you guys the options. I don't think I want to. I mean, I really do love working with the different realtors that I've been working with, but I don't really, I don't know, it doesn't make me happy anymore, especially the situation that happened. Yeah, it doesn't, you know, I just feel like maybe I should just do this by myself. And they do have some listings that are out of this world that I'm not gonna see in the Gleaner, but you know, yeah. I'm actually on my way to Portmore right now. Guys, I have these 2 videos that I have to film, and I keep slacking. I want to film at least one of them today, and the video is not going to be any more than 8 minutes. It can't be any less than 8 minutes, and it can't be any more than 10 minutes long. And I really love the products that were sent to me, so I don't want to be that person, you know, and not follow through on my end of the deal. And I absolutely would never be that person, because normally I would have got it done already. So I got everything I need, like links and certain things that they want me to suggest or speak about in the video. So I just need to get on top of it. It's top of my priority list. So I'm going to go over to Portmore. I'm getting help cleaning up the place, because they need some serious clean. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys that. Wow, you see that? Lucky come up the camera in my hand, you're lucky. I don't like when drivers do that. I find it so, ugh. I really hope our taxi drivers aren't doing stuff like that. They probably are. What you know. You think we care? Please have it in the video, because that's how they drive. That's literally how they drive. And it's so frustrating, especially as the oncoming driver. And a big old coaster bus in our look. You have to push in, shove in front of somebody else. It's frustrating. We all have to sit here in this traffic, and I know your passengers want to get where they're going, but at what risk? But I know I'm not the one to talk, because sometimes I do some things where it's like, me to not do that. And I know, they know too. We know it's wrong, but we still do it at the end of the day. But anyways, I'm out of here, guys. Guys, look what I have. It's warm. I've took it out to all like a what? Yep. If you're watching this video, I would greatly appreciate if you go over to Cal's Foods. I'm gonna bring up the name on the video and tag me in their post, in their bag juice post. If you have an Instagram, also make sure you go over to Instagram and follow me at Bicana Brown. I'm gonna head over to Mega Mart right now because I realized I bought a bed. I want to do my DIY bed frame. Yeah, DIY bed frame. And then me I look on my sheets, me I look on my mattress cover, and I'm like, I don't have any pillows. I do not have any pillows, and I completely forgot about pillows. So I was told that Mega Marts have good pillows. So I'm gonna go over to Mega Mart and see if they have any other little house stuff, because the things them that mommy bought should be coming at the end of this week. So I want to do an unboxing. Then, so that'll be perfect. Guys, watch a crab lady, and I can't see her, but the crab them look good, not lie. The crab them look real good. And the man over here sell plants. Well, I'm pack up now, but I'm gonna go find out if I'm always the over here. But the crabs, I'll be right back, guys. Guys, this is how I smile with a mask on. You can tell when I'm smiling when my eyes squint. I just did that face behind them. If I have the picture, I'm gonna insert it. That face where you put your teeth over your lip. I'm a weirdo, if you guys haven't noticed. This is how I come into my car. I keep my eye looking out there. I put my bag in. And normally I lock my door, like I lock it. But since I'm about to put my keys immediately in the car, I have to keep it unlocked, because if I try to put my keys in my car while the door is locked, the alarm will go off. So that's another thing. If your car does that, let's say somebody is trying to kidnap you in your own vehicle or something of the sort, and you know that your vehicle, I mean, I probably shouldn't be saying this, but some people, if they're trying to hurt you, they're not gonna know. But just for you to know, what I've observed is that if you put your key in your car when it's locked, the alarm will go off when you try to start the ignition. So maybe that can help. That can help scare away people. It might not. Sometimes if people are gonna do some crazy things, they don't really care, you know. But just so you can run across the street, someone can't run over, man. And they take things for joke. Oh, there's some little furniture here. I don't want like a bed frame there. I'm going into Mega Mart. Oh girl, it is hot, daddy. Everybody I pack up now. Dog, come on, brother. Anyways, guys, when I get into Mega Mart, I'll come back to you. Guys, I'm in Mega Mart. I just had them spray the handles, and I got some tissue. Forewarning, look at how gross this is. I wiped out the inside. Nasty. But I had them spray it down. You can have people do that, guys. Anyways, a dresser like this is 25,000. And look what these things are very expensive, but I did get the light bulbs. The Mega Mart them light bulb. But remember, I got my light bulb at Bashco. They're actually Mega Mart light bulbs. I only came in here for a pillow, so just because I'm walking around showing you guys these things, I'm only coming in here for a pillow. So I'll go and see what I can find. If I find anything that's cheap, and when I say cheap, the price good, then I might get that too. But some things you don't need. Like, I don't need certain things, you know. But I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the bath price them not bad, but the pillow them expensive. Like the pillows are expensive, but I need a pillow and they feel like good quality and they're made in Jamaica. So I'm not knock it. If I can support Jamaican made products, then I sure as hell will. But them expensive, and I don't know why I didn't get a cart, because look at me, I'm struggling. But they have some rugs, and the rugs are 50% off. Everybody doing 50% off their rugs. Oh, selected large area rugs. Oh, some of them 50% off. But anyways, this has slipped out of my hand, so I will be back when I can. Don't be mad at me if I come back tomorrow or if I come back later tonight. I just want to walk through and make sure I'm not missing anything. But for now, I got exactly what I came here for, so I'm all set.
Hey, Mr. Parker. Number 5, right?
Yeah, and with pickles and can you switch down?
Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this beat and I'm spitting a cappella.
Back in the day in school with the fools when I was younger, we never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the sun.